Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Friday, September 11th, and you just finished watching a Brain Pop video on September 11th. So for reading and writing today, you're going to do this activity that's in Google Slides. So what you're going to do is you're going to read this 2-page passage here. Now, if you can't see it because you're working on a smaller screen than I am, if you click on this Zoom and you click on the arrow button, you can make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so that way that helps you. I'm going to go back to my normal fit because I don't need it because I'm on a bigger screen. All right, so anyway, you are going to read the two pages here for what is Patriots Day. You have a couple of things that you need to do here. You're going to record notes of important information on the sticky notes. There's 2 sticky notes. If I click here, I want you to type in a complete sentence, something you thought that was important. And same thing on this one. There's 2 sticky notes. I expect both of them to be completed. The other thing that you need to do is down here, drag and drop the highlighter strip and paste it over a sentence you found interesting. So as you're reading, if you find something interesting, you're just going to drag it over there and drop. Okay, pretty easy. So that's for page 1 and page 2. Page 2 has 2 more sticky notes here. So that means I expect you to find 2 things that are important on the first page and 2 things that are important on the second page. The third page is you need to respond to the questions below, and again using complete sentences and detailed sentences. So the first one is, how does America come together each September 11th to honor the victims lost during the tragic event? You're going to click here and type in your answer. If you forget, you can go back to page 1 or page 2 to reread it. And again, remember, I want this in complete sentences. The second question is, what does it mean when a country's flag is flown at half-mast? Tell me what it is and explain it to me. And again, click it here. Again, if you forget, go back and reread page 1 and page 2. And then you're also going to do the third question. Then you're going to go in, you're going to read about the American flag. Again, same thing. You're going to read it. Anything interesting, highlight it. You're going to put what you feel is important here and here. And then you're going to go to the second page. Again, you need to give me important information here and here. The next page is about the American flag. So you're going to read this question and respond to it. And then this one here is talking about why it's important to fold the American flag correctly. Use the sequence chain. Okay, tell me, how do you fold it? First step here, second step, third step, fourth step. And again, boys and girls, if you forget, go back to the passage. All right. Then you're going to go into the next passage, which is about patriotic symbols. Same thing. Drag anything, drag and drop for anything that you think is interesting. Important information there, important information there. And then your second paragraph or your second page. And then same thing, 3 questions. Now, boys and girls, I know this is 4 passages, and it's going to take you for reading and writing, which is an hour-and-a-half block. So even though I have 4 passages here, I think you're going to have plenty of time to do it. Next one is on community heroes, and then your read and respond there. It's pretty easy. Take your time. If you do 1 passage and you want to go away from it and come back, you can. Okay, just if you need to take a brain break, get up, go do something and come back and finish it. So for today, it's just going to be, this is for reading and writing, and you're going to have something for math. Super easy. Now, I do want to let you know that next week, we are going to get into full force of, hitting all of our subjects that we need to do. All right, guys, if you have any questions, email me. Thanks.